Hey party people, we are making 2-ingredient pizza dough and we're cooking these pizzas in a cast iron skillet. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's get into it. Self-rising flour and Greek yogurt. I use 2% Greek yogurt. You can use whole Greek yogurt or low fat. Now I know self-rising flour has more than one ingredient. It's got leaveners, salt, but you buy one thing, we're going to call it one ingredient. All you have to do is add 2 cups of self-rising flour and 1.5 cups of Greek yogurt to a bowl and stir it up. That's it. Just, play with the ratios of yogurt to flour and see how you like it, because all the yogurt is going to be different. And believe me, it doesn't taste yogurty. You get a nice smooth dough. If you just knead it for about 5 or 6 minutes, dust with a little flour so it doesn't stick too much. And then cut it into 2-3 pieces, however many pizzas you're going to make. Roll it out. Dust your rolling pin with a little flour, or use a wine bottle if you don't have a rolling pin. And just turn that pizza dough about a quarter turn each time so that you get a nice rounded shape. Keep it moving so that it doesn't stick to the counter, and keep it well floured. Now we're going to drizzle a little canola oil. You can use olive oil if you want, and brush it around your cast iron skillet. This is a 12-inch cast iron skillet, and I use this and also 2 smaller 10-inch skillets. I made 3 pizzas total. Oops, I missed a spot. But don't worry, because this skillet is well seasoned. It is not going to stick, I promise. Splat on a little bit of tomato sauce. You can use a jar of pasta sauce if you want, or make your own sauce with some crushed tomatoes, some fresh basil, and some garlic. Top it with your favorite cheese. I love mozzarella cheese. Provolone would be great. Grate on some Asiago if you like, some Parmesan, whatever you got, whatever you like. Put that cheese on there. I had some sausage. I pre-cooked that, so it will only take a few minutes in the oven to cook. And then I have some sauteed peppers. Delicious. We're going to scatter those on top. Don't overload your pizza, because you don't want the crust to get soggy. Brush the top crust with a little oil so it'll get nice and brown in the oven. Scatter on a little bit more cheese if you want, because you really can't have too much cheese, can you? Well, I guess you could, but a little more cheese. And then turn the heat flame on medium for a couple of minutes to get the bottom crust brown. And if you check the description box, I'll have a link to the full printed recipe so you know exactly what I did. Pop it into the oven at 450 and then put on the broiler so the top crust can get brown. And there you have it. Pizza night! I did 3 pizzas, 1 12-inch and 2 10-inch pizzas. This one was the sausage and peppers. One I had with mushrooms and garlic and tomato and ground beef and Italian beef, all kinds of things you can use to top your pizzas. And let your family pick their own toppings. They can help build these pizzas. It is a great pizza night for everyone. Get creative, make your own pizzas. Thanks, and please subscribe.